Welcome to this one-bedroom concierge suite on the Disney Dream. Join us for this tour as we show you what's new and not so new following the ship's dry dock in October 2024. We are aboard its first sailing after arriving at Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. The newly updated bathroom is beautiful. Gone is the big bath with ceramic tile, and now in its place is a modern and elegant white bath with new fixtures along with Elemis products, of course. Nice touches include the Disney logo added to the hand towels. Two new single mirrors are now in the updated bathroom. You may remember there used to be one big mirror with a TV built into it. What we thought was strange was that they kept the old bathroom door with the wood paneling, even though they updated the single toilet area with new marble. Other Disney cruises seem to have a frosted glass panel design door on the water closet door, so we thought this was a bit unusual. Having the frosted glass panel door would have gone with the overall decor of the new one-bedroom concierge suite and matched the shower glass door.
One of the things I love about a one bedroom is the amount of closet space. So this is a closet that has extra bedding and a number of hangers. Right behind it is the walk-in closet. The light goes on when you walk inside. It's got a full-length mirror, a safe, and you have your complimentary robes that you cannot take home, and the slippers, which you can. Closet space here for everybody's items that they need to hang up. Yes, the closets do have very small hangers. And this is the front bathroom. So there's two bathrooms in this suite. This bathroom has also been completely redone with the new marble and silver look. Not much has changed in the one bedroom. You still have a desk for sitting, an area for items to put away as well as glasses. This is a fold-down bed. If you're sharing a family stateroom that's smaller than a one bedroom, this is the door that attaches to the room next door. We're not, so we're not going to open it. This couch, same as last year, also pulls out into a bed. And the way that you have privacy is this curtain comes across and it makes the room completely dark. You've also got a dining room table, which means you can order from the restaurant of the day and they will bring you dinner and you can sit at the table and eat. And there's a terrific two entrance to the outside, which will take you in a minute. Behind us is the one bedroom, and these close off. If I can hold them. Oh my. It closes off the one bedroom.
Nice and luxurious appointments are throughout the cabin.
November 2nd, 2024 cruise, and these are the current amenities and gifts that you get depending on what your level of sailing is. So in our cabin, we have a silver sailor and a gold sailor. This is the silver, you can see by the color. This is the silver lanyard where you can put in your cards that you carry with you. Some people have been very innovative and made these into luggage tags too. And therefore the gold one, as you can see, is a yellow tag. Again, to put the lanyard, you can wear it around your neck, you can hang it on something. The other gift, because we are gold, we get a wet and dry bag. Now the great thing about this bag is that you can put your bathing suit in it, hence the wet dry bag, and it keeps it from everything else from getting wet. So it's nice and big. And then the third gift is the cruise time bag. And this bag is just a regular carry-on bag that has a great zipper. And you can put whatever you're carrying with you. You're going to the beach, you're going to the hot tub, you're running around. It's Castaway Club Cruise Time.
To see our video of the newly updated Concierge Lounge 2, click here.